The new Toyota Highlander is the 7-seat family hybrid SUV that's ready for your next adventure. Its advanced hybrid engine offers an automatic gearbox as standard and is perfectly at home on and off the beaten track. Intelligent all-wheel drive, versatile seating combinations and a 2-ton towing capacity help complete the picture. The Highlander is ready for the road ahead. Packed with innovative technology, the Highlander comes with our self-charging petrol-electric hybrid engine as standard, combined with an intelligent all-wheel drive system which automatically kicks into action whenever needed. The spacious interior has been perfectly designed around you and is packed with useful technology. Highlander's generous 2,850mm wheelbase means it's a true 7-seater. A sliding range for the second-row seat means there's spacious and accessible accommodation in the 2 third-row seats, comfortable for adults to use. And the seats all fold flat to create a huge luggage area when needed. A Skyview panoramic roof comes as standard to boost that feeling of space. The power tailgate has a kick sensor function on the XL Premium model, giving easy hands-free access to the boot. The body's neat proportions offer a powerful design with plenty of road presence. The car's silhouette neatly draws a line from the front LED headlights to the rear, where the Highlander features unique LED taillights, producing a look that is both individual and refined. The distinctive and sophisticated interior is contemporary, well laid out, and packed with technology to help you on your journey. The Highlander features a JBL premium sound system, as well as the latest Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems. The screen here also displays information about how Toyota's market-leading self-charging hybrid system is making the best use of your energy. The Highlander's generous 2,850mm wheelbase means there's plenty of legroom for all. A sliding range for the second-row seat means there's spacious and accessible accommodation in the 2 third-row seats, comfortable for adults to use. The huge panoramic roof increases the feeling of spaciousness. Practical touches such as individual storage spaces and USB charging points will keep everyone happy during the journey. Triple-zone automatic air conditioning enables temperature control for the driver, passenger and rear zones. The driver and front passenger also benefit from heated seats. The Highlander seats can easily adapt to whatever you need to carry. With 7 people in the Highlander, a 332-litre boot is more than capable of handling everyone's belongings. With the back row folded, that space increases to 865 litres. And when the second row is folded, there's a huge 1,909 litres of space. The 2.5-litre engine is coupled with an efficient electric motor and seamlessly switches between electric and petrol and purely electric power to optimize driving performance. Energy which is normally wasted when you brake is harnessed automatically, putting power into a battery. This is then fed back when needed to make sure you get responsiveness together with economy. With the Highlander, there's no need to plug in. All this means that the Highlander uses every drop of fuel as efficiently as possible. The Highlander all-wheel drive system gives great traction in tricky situations such as snow or mud, as well as giving improved handling and responsiveness in normal driving. The Highlander will work to keep you and others safer too. Toyota's Safety Sense technologies are the result of decades of research and are fitted as standard. Toyota Safety Sense includes an advanced pre-collision system, emergency steering assist, road sign assist and intelligent adaptive cruise control. The Highlander also features rear cross-traffic alert with brake assist. Built to last, the Highlander is covered by Toyota Relax, our 10-year 100,000-mile warranty. Refined and individual, the Highlander fuses true character with style and technology.